Good morning, Farmer Joe here. I'm watching a lot of people running and in the gym on these social networks sites. And to be honest with you, they're buying the best equipment, best of running shoes for themselves, the best sports equipment, clothing, the whole lot. But when it comes to food and their food choices, they're making the very wrong decisions. They're eating all the crap and the sugar. You know, and I can see them in some videos giving sugar and crap to their children, and then they're looking after themselves health-wise. Listen, if you realise what you're doing when you're making choices with food, it's more important externally than it is internally for a lot of you people. Listen, make the right choices when it comes to your food and your children's food, and you'll feel the full benefit of your exercise and their health. Farmer Joe in Dublin, all the best, take care. Good morning, Farmer Joe here. You know, to be away from the matrix of the food industry and to be completely off sugar is probably one of the best things I ever done in my life for my overall fitness. And you know, your diet is 80% of your overall health, and you might be fit physically from exercising, running or going to the gym, but if you have a bad diet, the damage you're doing internally, you know, it'll creep up on you very quick, which happened to me with an non-alcohol fatty liver. And when that hit me, I had to do something about it. And the first thing I did was get off sugar. And it's probably the best thing I ever done in my life. And if I could advise anybody, you don't need sugar. You get enough natural sugar out of food, fruits and vegetables. Farmer Joe in Dublin, take care, bye bye. Good morning, Farmer Joe here. Nice relaxed situation out here from me and my two pals here, out in Mother Nature, you know. And a lot of people, as I keep saying, let this pass them by. And this is where a lot of answers are for people. With anxiety, depression, ADHD, if you're feeling a bit down on yourself, get yourself out in nature. And another part you want to be doing for yourself is feed yourself with good food and good drinks. You know, if you feed yourself with good food, you have good fuel for the body. You know, good food is good mood. There's nothing sure about it. There's my little pal, nice and relaxed. There's my other fella over here. But I'm very serious about that. If you get your diet right, you can be the fittest man in the world. But if you've a bad diet, you're not going to feel good in yourself. Good mood equals good food, or good food is good mood. Whatever way you want to put it. And if you eat good food, you'll come back and thank me. Farmer Joe in Dublin, bye bye now. Hello, Farmer Joe here, the guardian of the woods. Absolutely beautiful. To be able to come out to nature, the best therapy you'll ever get in your life. People don't realise, and they let the likes of this pass them by on a daily basis. And you know, if you get out to places like this, you'll feel the full benefit of your well-being, your overall health. And you know, people don't realise it. Your health starts in your feet. And if you let your feet go and your ability to move, you're going to get unhealthy very quick. And that's why a lot of old people, you know, when you lie in the bed for over a week when you're old, you lose 5% of your muscle mass. You know, so that's where you start really getting old very, very quickly. And to get out here like this in nature is one of the best things you'll ever do in your life. And look after your feet and your journey through life. You'll thank me for it. Farmer Joe, bye bye now. Good morning, Farmer Joe here. I'll tell you how you know society is not on your side. You can order a pizza this evening and it'll be with you within 15 or 20 minutes. If there was someone sick in your house and you rang an ambulance, it wouldn't come to you for an hour and a half. If you ordered a Chinese, it'd be there within 15 or 20 minutes. Chinese takeaway. If you were broke down on the motorway and you had distressed kids in the car, you wouldn't get a pickup truck for about an hour and a half. That's how society is today. So whose favour are they on? Listen, all the very best. Take care, Farmer Joe out in Mother Nature. Bye bye now. Good morning, Farmer Joe here. And you know, I put up a Fury song yesterday. You know, and I'm going to rewrite the words of it. Let's steal away let's steal away. Sugar will steal your health. Oh, let's steal away. Let's steal away. Sugar will steal your health. And for all the kids out there and all the parents, sugar will definitely steal away their health in the long run. But listen, Farmer Joe, all have a nice day. Bye bye.